The Samsung Galaxy S25 offers a sleek design, stunning display, and upgraded features. After upgrading, here's how to transfer contacts from Samsung to stay connected. Part 1. How to transfer contacts from Samsung to Samsung with one-click optimal. First of all, we suggest you use Mobican Transfer for mobile as the transferring tool. With it, you can easily transfer contacts from Samsung to Samsung. Steps to copy contacts between Samsung devices by using Transfer for Mobile. Install the Windows version and connect both Galaxy phones via USB. The devices will be detected by Transfer for Mobile. Showing on the interface, select Contacts and click Start Copy to transfer. The process will take a few minutes. Part 2. Transfer Samsung contacts to another Samsung phone via Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch on both devices. Open the app, tap Send Data Old Device, and Receive Data New Device. Choose Wireless. Select Galaxy Android. Confirm the connection code. Select Contacts, and start the transfer. Part 3. How to transfer contacts from Samsung to Samsung via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Pair the devices. Select Contacts to transfer. Share via Bluetooth. Accept on the target device. View contacts. Part 4. How to transfer contacts from Samsung to another Samsung with Google Backup. Log into your Google account on the old phone. Enable Auto Backup and Auto Restore. On the new phone, sign in with the same Google account. Sync contacts in the Google account settings. Part 5. How to send contacts from Samsung to Samsung via vCard file. On the old phone, go to Contacts Settings, Export to Storage. Transfer that vecfef file to the new phone. On the new phone, go to Contacts Settings, Import from Storage. Select the vecfef file to import. Part 6. How to transfer Samsung contacts to another Samsung with Contact Transfer. Open Contact Transfer on your computer. Set Android as the source, iOS as the destination, and click Next. Connect your iPhone via USB and scan the QR code on Android. Select Contacts and click Transfer.